What is the secret of a perfect lawn? Of course, no lawn is completely perfect, but there are steps you can take to ensure the grass is healthy. Grounds care specialists and professional gardeners will agree that one of the secrets in aiming for a perfect lawn is scarifying. All too often, your lawn can look lush and green at the start of the growing season, with the rains and warmth of spring, only to see yellow patches appear and the lawn becomes spongy as summer comes and drier weather prevails. And yet, no amount of watering seems to make that much difference. What's more, with summer drought increasing, there is very much a need to conserve water. So what might be the main cause of this yellowing, spongy, patchy lawn? The first thing to consider is thatch. Living and dead stems, roots, rhizomes and stolons from the grass plant build up a thick, intermingling layer between the grass tops and the soil. Thatch inhibits the plant's ability to absorb water, nutrients and air at the roots. The lawn can become prone to disease and insect damage. It's much less responsive to fertilizers, and heavy watering is needed just to keep it alive. Thick, sodden thatch then provides the perfect growing conditions for the next enemy, moss. If thatch is left untreated, large patches of the lawn begin to die. During the main growing season, the grass plants grow faster than the old grass stems can decompose, creating a mat of thatch. Scarifying removes this mat of thatch and moss. How does it work? The Countax Scarifier has specially designed blades that rotate at high speed, driven by the tractor's power takeoff. These blades tease the thatch and moss from the bed of the lawn, whilst the angle and shape of the blades ensure the healthy grass plants are left intact. Unwanted material is thrown to the surface of the lawn, ready for collection. Scarifying also gently disturbs the soil surface, allowing oxygen to the roots, while helping to reduce soil compaction. A single pass with the Countax Scarifier is usually enough to complete the job, bringing a thick layer of thatch to the surface of the lawn. The lawn will recover amazingly quickly as the grass roots receive moisture, oxygen and nutrients. You can use your Countax Powered Grass Collector to collect the thatch. Scarify twice a year, in early spring and autumn, using the Countax Scarifier. Combine scarifying with other lawn treatments, such as weed and feed products, and regular treatment with other Countax turf management accessories. In a very short time, you will be well on the way to that perfect lawn.